Well, this comes as the 5 former cops charged in Tyre Nichol's death will be in court tomorrow. ABC 24 will be in the courtroom tomorrow, and we will bring you the latest at 5. Those are their mugshots right there on your screen. Well, Shelby County District Attorney Steve Mulroy announced last week that his office was reviewing past cases involving MPD Scorpion Unit. Now, if investigators find any violations in policies, that could result in some cases being dismissed. Our Brittany Moncrief sat down with Spence Partners Law Firm, who represents Monterrious Harris, the man who filed a lawsuit against the city of Memphis after he was beaten by the same 5 officers charged in Tyre's death days prior.
I want to see us do better. I want to see us do better.
Plain and simple. Jared Spence is not only a Memphis lawyer, he's also a native Memphian, growing up less than a mile from where Tyre Nichol was beaten.
At this very moment, seeing what the Scorpion Unit was doing with impunity, it does not make me very proud to be a Memphian, particularly a black Memphian.
Spence represents Monterrious Harris, who filed a lawsuit against the city, claiming that the same 5 officers charged in Tyre Nichol's death also beat him just 3 days before. And that's not all.
We receive probably 3 or 4 phone calls a day from people alleging that they have been violated at the hands of the Scorpion Unit.
So many, Spence says they sometimes have to refer people to other law firms.
Some of the people that we have spoken with have said that they've submitted numerous complaints to the MPD, but they've been met with deaf ears.
Some of those cases involving other teams within the Scorpion Unit and others involving the same former MPD officers in Nichols and Harris cases.
5 officers that operated in Hickory Hill, they were certainly, at least from what I've seen, the worst of the Scorpion Unit. But we've also have heard from individuals who live in Orange Mound, who live in the Whitehaven area, really predominantly black neighborhoods.
And Spence notices a pattern in these encounters.
Pull people over for no reason. Although these black men have violated no crimes, they are all brutalized by the Scorpion Unit.
While Spence is pleased Shelby County District Attorney's Office is reviewing past cases, he says is what they should have been doing all along.
If complaints were filed previously and those complaints were ignored, then the city of Memphis has the blood of Tyre Nichol on his hands, and it has the blood of every other individual who was victimized by the Scorpion Unit on his hands. And I hope that the city of Memphis does right by those individuals.
In Memphis, I'm Brittany Moncrief.
Now, Spence's client, Monterrious Harris, is expected to be in court tomorrow morning for arraignment.